is Jake, here to do a quick couple songs with the folks at the Sea to Sky Gondola. Thanks so much for having me. This is a James Bay song. It's called Move Together. End of the night, and it's cold out. Turn on your side, and I know you up until ours. Didn't get tonight, don't have tomorrow, so don't ruin now. How we gonna move together? Just come closer. If we don't move together, come closer. How we gonna breathe? How we gonna be together? Just keeping the peace between the sheets. I creep in, everything's allowed. Sorry I've woken you now, and we'll argue tiniest thing. We didn't get tonight, don't have tomorrow, so I'm done whispering, done whispering. How we gonna move together? Just come closer. If we don't move together, just come closer. How we gonna breathe? How we gonna be together? Just keeping the peace between the sheets. So maybe don't give me no cold shoulder. Before you go, turn around, let me hold you. Let me sit in the dark in the morning. Just one more thing. How we gonna move together? Just come closer. If we don't move together, just come closer. How we gonna breathe? How we gonna be together? Just keeping the peace. Just keeping the peace. Just keeping the peace between these sheets.
Woo! That was amazing. Unbelievable.
I really love your voice.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Beautiful. So why don't you start by telling us a bit about yourself? You know, who are you? What got you into music? And yeah, who are your biggest musical influences?
Yeah, totally. So my name is Jake Hammond. I'm a originally Ontario-based artist. I moved to Vancouver just over 2 years ago now. Big fan of, like that was a James Bay song, so I'm a big fan of guitar playing singer-songwriters. So Dallas Green, City and Colour was a big influence for me. John Mayer's a big one for me as well.
Of course.
Tyler Childers, I listen to a lot of alternative country, stuff like that. So all of that sort of finds a way to weave its way into what I do and the sounds that I make. So yeah, I'm out here now, performing, playing as much as I can, writing my own music, collaborating, just yeah, doing my artist thing.
It's a beautiful sound. It really is a beautiful sound.
And do you have a favorite song that you love to cover?
Oh my. There's a Tyler Childers song called Shake the Frost that I love to do. Sort of a romantic kind of old country tune. Yeah, it's a really good one. So, yeah.
And where can we find you? Where can people find your music?
So my Instagram is at Jake Hammond Music. So I post all my stuff on there. I'm currently working on an EP, sitting on about 4 or 5 songs that I'll be putting out this winter or this spring. So yeah, I'm about to go into the studio and work on that. So
amazing.
Yeah.
People should look out for that then.
Totally, yeah.
Okay, and I think you have another song that you're performing. Is it an original song?
Yes, this is an original song.
Amazing.
It's it's a bit ironic. It's called "You Are the Mountain." So
Oh, perfect.
it's very fitting. I thought. Anyway. All right, totally. Here we go. I'll just wait till the door closes. Alrighty. I can't go to Jackson and think of all that happened, 'cause I still see you there with the twilight through your hair, and you dancing slowly while the moon is waxing. I can't fly to Denver, baby, I could never. I wonder if I land back in your arms again, or if I'd close the runway down and blame the weather. If I gave you my love, would it be enough? If I gave you my heart, would we know where to start? If I gave you my time, would it make you mine? You are the mountain that I just can't seem to climb. I can't go to Salt Lake, put my weight on the Jake brake, 'cause I look out at the land, I think of all our plans, how we traded every someday in for heartache. And if I gave you my love, would it be enough? And if I gave you my heart, would we know where to start? And if I gave you my time, would it make you mine? I'll be headed further west to chase the sunset, on a plane where I can buy a longer day. By the time I hit the sea, I'm thinking you and me. No matter where I go, I just can't seem to shake. And if I gave you my love, would it be enough? If I gave you my heart, would we know where to start? If I gave you my time, would it make you mine? You are the mountain that I just can't seem to climb.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful
so much.
song.
Thank you. I appreciate that.